Now we are going to study some example of related to conditions of relation. Firstly, we will see some questions related to relation. Secondly, we will see that this is follow conditions of relation or not. Let's see. Question first. If A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 13, 14, defined as means we made relation xy but 3x minus y is equal to 0. Suppose let y is equal to x. Suppose y is equal to x, then 3x minus y is equal to 0. Means y transfer, then 3x is equal to y. Okay? 3x is equal to y and putting the value of x is equal to 1 to 3. And let's check what's the condition. Then x is equal to 1 to 3. Then firstly put x is equal to 1. Then y is equal to 3 means 1 3. Okay. Second, x is equal to 2 means 2 3 is 6. Then y is equal to 6. X is equal to 3. Then y is equal to 9. Okay. And then this. And x is equal to 4. Then y is equal to 12. But this is a follow-up conditions of some relation means symmetric, reflexive and transitive or not. Let's see. First condition we will check. For any A belong to A. For A belong to A not belong to R. This is a conditions of reflexive. A means both are same means x and y are same. But 1, 3, 2, 6, 3, 9 any one pair are not same. Okay? Then R is not reflexive. Second condition is what? You read now. Okay? For any AB belong to A and BA belong to A means just opposite conditions in symmetric. Okay? AB and BA. But 1, 3, 3, 1 not here. Then this is conditions not satisfied. Means R is not symmetric. Last condition we got. Last condition is transitive and transitive conditions. We say that then AB belong to A and BC belong to A but AC belong to A. This is a conditions of transitive. But here for any AB belong to R means 1 3 suppose and secondly B here kya? B here means 3. Then secondly B 3 here. Okay, means 3 9. But last condition we got means AC. AC we got 1 and 9. But this is not. Then conditions we for any AB belong to R, BC belong to R, but AC not belong to R. So that R is not transitive. Okay. After that, we will see second question. Relation R in a set of natural number n defined as means n is a natural number and we made a relation R is equal to xy, y is equal to x plus 5 means this is conditions followed and x is x is less than 4 means conditions applied x is less than 4 means let x is equal to 1 to 3 only. Why? Means x is less than 4 means x value क्या होना चाहिए? Then x is less than 4 mean R is equal to then we made a relation according to conditions means y is equal to x plus 5 and 1 by 1 putting the value of this conditions means x is equal to 1 2 3 means 1 then conditions be 6 2 then second y is equal to be 7 and 3 then y is equal to be 8. Okay, let's check. First condition reflexive, then R is not reflexive. Why? Let's see. Because AA not belong to R means what's conditions followed by reflexive relation? Reflexive relation followed by AA belong to R means both are same means A and B are same but here is not same. That's it. Means R is not reflexive. Second condition is what? R is not symmetric. But why? Then because AB belong to R. Means suppose that 1 6 belong to R, but 6 1 not belong to R. That's the condition we want. Means R is not symmetric. Third condition, R is not transitive. Transitive means firstly we see then AB belong to R and BC belong to R, but AC is also belong to R. But here then 1 6 belong to R, but 6 another number not belong to R and AC is not. Then AB belong to R, but BC not belong to R and AC not belong to R. This is a transitive, means R is not transitive conditions. Okay. And listen careful. That question was come to end this year 2020. This is the most important questions. And note down.